If you walk into a store and say, "I want one shirt," Americans will understand you, but they'll know you're not from here. We don't say it like that.
Instead, we say, I'm looking for a shirt. That's how Americans shop. And today, you're going to learn how to sound confident and natural when you're shopping in America.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm here with my co-host, and we help you speak real American English for everyday life.
Today's lesson is super practical. We're teaching you how to shop like an American, not textbook English. Real phrases you hear every single day in stores across the USA.
Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or anything else, you'll sound confident and natural. So subscribe to Speaklio English and let's practice together.
All right, let's start with the biggest mistake. When you enter a store and a worker says, "Can I help you?" What do you say?
Most learners say no thank you because they feel nervous, but Americans usually say something friendlier.
Exactly. We say, "I'm just looking, thanks," or "I'm just browsing." These phrases are polite and natural.
Let's practice. I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just browsing.
Perfect. Now say it with us. I'm just looking, thanks.
Good. But what if you actually need help? You don't say, "I want." That sounds too direct in American English.
Right. Instead, we say, I'm looking for. Listen, I'm looking for a blue sweater.
I'm looking for running shoes.
See? It's softer, more polite, very American.
Let's practice together. Say, "I'm looking for a jacket."
Great job. Now, here's another common situation. You see something you like, but you're not sure about the size or color.
Don't say, "You have this in small." That's grammatically fine, but it sounds unnatural.
Americans say, "Do you have this in a small?" Or "Does this come in blue?"
Listen to the difference. Do you have this in a medium?
Does this come in black?
Much better, right? Let's practice. Say, "Do you have this in a large?"
Excellent. Now let's talk about trying things on. In America, you ask, "Can I try this on?"
Not, "Can I test this?" We don't say test for clothes. We say try on.
Can I try this on?
Where's the fitting room?
These two phrases will help you every time you shop for clothes. Say them with us. Can I try this on?
Perfect. Now you're in the fitting room. The shirt fits perfectly. You want to buy it. What do you say?
Don't say, "I take this one." That sounds translated. Americans say, "I'll take this," or "I'll get this."
Listen, "I'll take this one."
I'll get these two.
Simple and natural. Practice with us. "I'll take this."
Great. Now let's talk about prices. You see something expensive. How do you react?
Many learners say, "This is expensive." That's fine, but Americans often say, "This is a bit pricey."
Pricey means expensive, but it sounds more casual. This is a bit pricey.
Or we say, "That's out of my budget right now."
Very polite and natural. That's out of my budget right now.
Let's practice. Say, "This is a bit pricey."
Nice. But what if something is on sale? You ask, "How much is this?" Not, "What costs this?"
Exactly. How much is this?
How much are these?
And if you see a sale sign, you can ask, "Is this on sale?"
Is this on sale?
Americans love sales. You'll use this phrase all the time. Say it with us. Is this on sale?
Perfect. Now you're ready to pay. At the register, the cashier might ask, "How are you paying?"
You say card or cash. Super simple.
Or, "I'll pay with card."
I'll pay cash.
And here's an important phrase. The cashier asks, "Do you need a bag?"
You say, "Yes, please," or "No, I'm good, thanks."
I'm good, thanks. That means no thank you. Very common in American English.
Let's practice. Say, "I'm good, thanks."
Excellent. Now, sometimes you buy something and it doesn't work or it doesn't fit. You need to return it.
Don't say, "I want to give back this." We say, "I'd like to return this."
I'd like to return this shirt.
Can I return this without the receipt?
These phrases are polite and clear. Practice. I'd like to return this.
Great. Now let's put it all together with a real-life role play. I'll be the learner and you be the American store worker.
Okay, I'm working at a clothing store. You walk in. "Hi, can I help you find anything today?"
I'm looking for a jacket.
Great. What size are you looking for?
Do you have this in a medium?
Yes, we do. Let me grab that for you. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Okay, I tried it on. It fits great. I'll take this.
Awesome. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Do you need a bag?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Okay, here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you.
See, that was perfect. You sounded so natural.
Thanks. Now let's try one more role play. This time, I'll be the American worker and you be the learner.
Okay, I'm shopping for shoes. Hi, I'm looking for running shoes.
Sure, what size do you wear?
Size 9. Do you have these in black?
Let me check. Yes, we have them in black. Want to try them on?
Yes, please.
How do they fit?
They fit perfectly. How much are these?
They're $60, but they're on sale today. $50.
Oh, great. I'll get these.
Awesome. Cash or card?
I'll pay with card.
Perfect. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was excellent. You used all the phrases we taught you.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything you learned today.
When a store worker asks, "Can I help you?" you say, "I'm just looking, thanks."
When you need help, say, I'm looking for, not I want.
To ask about sizes or colors, say, "Do you have this in a small?" or "Does this come in blue?"
To try on clothes, say, can I try this on?
When you're ready to buy, say, "I'll take this," or "I'll get this."
If something is expensive, say, this is a bit pricey, or that's out of my budget.
To ask about sales, say, "Is this on sale?"
And if you need to return something, say, I'd like to return this.
These phrases will make you sound confident and natural in any American store.
You did an amazing job today. Shopping in English can feel scary, but now you have the exact phrases Americans use every single day.
Now it's your turn to practice. Here's your homework. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence from today's lesson.
For example, write, I'm looking for a blue sweater, or can I try this on? We read every comment and we love seeing you practice.
And if you want to keep practicing real American English for everyday situations, subscribe to Speaklio English. Hit that like button too.
We make new lessons every week to help you speak confidently in real life, not textbook English, real English.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Every time you use these phrases, you're getting better.
Next time you go shopping, use one phrase from today. Just one. You'll feel so confident when it works.
We believe in you. Keep practicing with us, and you'll sound more American every single day.
Thanks for learning with Speaklio English. See you in the next lesson.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and we'll see you soon.